Ẹ káàbọ̀, ẹ kú kalẹ̀, ẹ káàárọ̀, ẹ káàsán, ẹ káalẹ́ níbikíbi tẹ́ bá ti láǹfààní láti máa wò mí. Bọ́lárìnwá Bùkọ́lá ni orúkọ mi. Olùkọ́ èdè Yorùbá sì ni mí pẹ̀lú. Welcome. My name is Bọ́lárìnwá Bùkọ́lá. I'm a Yoruba online tutor. I love teaching Yoruba language because it is beautiful. It is full of life giving, it is full of lesson and with great culture. My mission is to help the Nigerians in diaspora as well as foreigners who are willing to enrich themselves or their kids with Yoruba culture as well as knowing how to speak Yoruba confidently. We have scheduled online classes available for both the young and adults. Yorùbá bọ̀ wọ́n ní ohun anílà àná ni, bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ohun anílà àná ni. If you are interested in booking a class section with us, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can also follow us on our Twitter page as well as send a mail to our email. Thank you very much. Ẹ ṣé púpọ̀, èmi ni tí ń tòótọ́ Bọ́lárìnwá Bùkọ́lá. Ire o, ó dàbọ̀.